Okay, so if you get blue screen of death, or if you got this page because your computer wouldn't start normally, what you want to do is you want to go to advanced option, and then you're going to do troubleshoot, reset, keep all my files, local install. So what you want to do, you want to fix any issues you have with your laptop, and it will keep all your files, but just simply fixes any corrupted files, and you will reset the PC. But despite not losing your files, what you will be losing is your apps and programs that did not come with this PC, obviously, the third-party apps. So make sure that you're ready for that. So anytime you get blue screen of death, then you want to go with this options. The other options, if you can't really get to the recovery page, is what you want to do is get a bootable USB, Windows 10 or Windows 11, whatever Windows you're running at the time, and boot into that. If you don't know how to make a bootable USB, then simply go watch some videos on how to make a bootable Windows USB. And this is the second options that allows you to which one is it? This one. This is the second option that allows you to reset the laptops with fixing the corrupted files and allowing you to use the PC. And obviously with this options, even though you're not losing your files, you'll definitely lose the third-party apps you installed after when you bought the laptop. Okay, so what you will be doing, okay, just hit next and then repair your computer, and then you want to go to troubleshoot, same option. Wait, go back, troubleshoot, startup, repair, choose Windows 11.